Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please press the bell button and subscribe to get our daily video notifications. In our today's video, I am going to discuss about order of operations. The order of operations tells us the order to solve steps in expressions with more than one operation. Students often get confused in solving them. This video will help them in good understanding. In this order of operations, we have three levels. The first one is the basic level, wherein no parentheses and no exponents will be seen. These expressions and equations have no parentheses and no exponents. For example, 3 into 5 plus 6. The answer is 21. Here, when you have different operations in a math problem, you need to solve them in a specific order. So, step 1 is, if there is any multiplication or division, follow from left to right. And in step 2, add and subtract from left to right. So, here 3 into 5 will become 15 plus 6 is 21. Now, let's see the next. The next one is intermediate level. In this, equations and expressions have parentheses but no exponents. Before going to the example, when you have different operation in a math problem, you need to solve them in a specific order. In the step 1, solve the part in parentheses. Step 2, multiply and divide. This also you need to follow from left to right. And then in step 2, add and subtract. Now going to the example, 3 into in parenthesis 4 plus 5 minus 7. So first what we need to do here is solve the part in parenthesis. So 3 into parenthesis it is 9 minus 7. 3 into 9 is 27 because step 2 is multiply and divide. 27 minus 7 and in the step 3 add and subtract. So 27 minus 7 is 20. The next level is advanced level. These equations and expressions have both parentheses and exponents. When you have different operations in a math problem, you need to solve them in a specific order. In the step 1, solve the part in the parentheses and the exponents. Step 2, multiply and divide. And in step 3, add and subtract. So, in this example, 3 square divided by parenthesis 1 is 2, 9 minus 7. So, 9 by 2. Further, you can solve it and you can write it down as 4.5. So, what are order of operations? As per the three levels, whatever we have learned so far, we name it as PEMDAS, that is parenthesis, exponents, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. The table given depicts clearly how to follow which comes first and which comes last. There is a mnemonic to remember order of operations easily for kids. The popular mnemonic used to remember the order of operations for PEMDAS is, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So here are few examples for you. In the first question, 8 plus 7 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So here in the parenthesis, 8 plus 7 we have, which is nothing but 15 divided by 3 is 5. The second one, 8 square minus 6 into 10. As per the steps, first we need to go for exponent. So 8 square is 64 minus 6 into 1060 equal to 4. The next one, 7 plus 6 square minus 5. Here we need to go for the exponents part first. So it is 36. 7 plus 36 minus 5 is equal to 38. The next one, 8 into 9 is in parenthesis. Similarly, 48 divided by 6 is also in parenthesis. Solve the ones which are in parenthesis first and then subtract to get the answer. Question number 5 is straightforward. It is 28 divided by 4 minus 6 is 1. Sixth one is also straightforward. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more videos. Also drop your comments in the comment section. Bye bye.